Hi, I prepared a highly profitable strategy for you guys, and it's only based on one single indicator. Are you curious now? Then watch until the very end, capture what I'm doing, and make money with me. The trade's closed, and while I'm analyzing the market, you can subscribe to my Telegram channel via the link in the description. You're gonna find a whole bunch of accurate trading signals, special strategies that are only available to my followers, and regular live streams where we can make money off of trading together. Welcome to the team. Hello my dear friends. Today we're running a trading session with a goal of closing 4 out of 5 deals in a profit. Basically, we're gonna make 5 deals today and try to close 4 of them successfully in order to earn a decent sum and obviously provide my followers with signals. So today we're getting some help from the ATR indicator. Basically, the whole thing is an educational video and a trading strategy entwined. To be completely honest with you guys, I rarely use this indicator when I trade, although it's an indeed helpful tool if applied wisely. By the way, I'm gonna be posting the signals on my free Telegram channel, so if you want to catch up with today's trading session, follow the link in the description right now and subscribe. So let's start. The ATR indicator is essentially a volatility indicator. What does that mean? The thing is, there are different market phases, that being the market when the market moves pretty actively and when it stays still. Those are the situations we're going to clear up with an extra help of the indicator. Let's pick a more proper currency pair and look at this chart and the way the indicator correlates with the chart. Basically, we can take a look at these indicator values, and there's no big of a difference in the numbers, so it's not going to be too noticeable. But whenever the indicator is located in the upper part of a certain scale, these scales vary depending on the currency you're working with. When the indicator is at the top, it indicates a relatively high volatility on the market compared to the previous range. If the situation is vice versa, the indicator is in the lower part of the scale, that means the price isn't moving too actively, the motion evolves smoothly with no rapid price changes. So yeah, the gist of today's video and the indicator itself is we are going to be looking for high volatility periods in order to close our trades with a bigger advantage. Yeah, it doesn't actually matter whether the trade closes with an advantage of 10 points or 100. We're gonna get an extra 92% of profit anyway, but I'm sure you get it. When the market moves more confident and actively, chances of your deal to close against your forecast are a bit lower. So that's what we're taking advantage of today. So guys, we're placing the first trade. Let's look at the ATR indicator, analyze it, and draw some conclusions. The market displays an uptrend at the moment, so why did I place a trade against the trend? It's pretty simple actually. We can see the indicator used to be high while the chart displayed an active trend phase. Right now the indicator is falling, which means candles get smaller and smaller, and overall volatility has significantly decreased over the course of the last 14 candles. Normally this would indicate the trend is starting to fade, and thereby waiting for a red candle to appear that'll let us get a profit of $380. So we literally only need one single candle to close in our favor, and as we can see, it's getting pretty big. If the active downtrend phase starts at this point, the indicator will probably start rising too. So basically the signal was solely based on the decrease in market volatility, which means the trend is slowly fading away. I hope everything's clear so far. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Guys, here's a literally identical example. The indicator is pretty low. Look, the highest point reached in the last 14 candles was this 832, and now it's 800. That means the market has loosened. We can see the previous tendency was upwards. However, this red candle appeared a pretty big one, no shadows on it, so the candle basically indicates the price is likely to keep falling. Let's see how it goes. So amazing, we've got another $370 of net profit. As we can see, the chart has yet to evolve the falling course too rapidly, so the ATR indicator is still at the bottom. If we witness a few of such big red candles in a row, this size approximately, then the indicator will sure start rising as volatility will increase too. And this is where we can start looking for entry points to make upward deals when, for instance, the trend will start fading away, reversing, and eventually starting to go up. So that's the principle we follow today. And by the way, we're only left to make 3 deals. Let's see what we got. The third trade has been placed according to the same principle, and we can also notice an additional confirming factor in favor of a fresh downward motion development. There's probably a certain level located right here, because these upward candle shadow right here are so huge. So yeah, this kind of red candle is currently a likely case scenario. As for the indicator, it's quite low at the moment. Volatility is working at our favor so far. Let's see how it goes. I guess we gotta save the case with another signal. Unfortunately, the market resumed rising. However, it's not like it's gonna up higher than the last successive high, so I'm waiting for a little corrective retracement. We're not gonna double the deal amount this time though. Best case scenario would be closing the case in a draw. So the fourth trade has closed in a profit. This way we've got 3 profits and 1 loss so far. 1 trade is left and it's gotta be profitable so that we can consider the trading session successful. So I assume the market will keep the upward motion here. It's pretty easy to spot by the candle shadows, a whole bunch of them. Plus, there's also a very common shape right here called head and shoulders. Here are the 2 shoulders, here's the head. So basically the market is likely to continue rising. We can see the market is trying to break out downwards, hence heading further down. However, the extremely low volatility tells us that's not gonna happen. The market simply doesn't have enough power to keep falling. Right now we're capturing the way the market is starting to form the right shoulder. Basically, let me show it to you real quick. Where is everything's located? Basically, here's the head, the main part, and here are the 2 shoulders. This is the technical analysis part, and you're doing a great job if you know it, because right now we're earning $460 thanks to this figure, and we're done with our successful trading session. My dear friends, I'm really happy about today's results. Those who have been trading with me and also get 4 profits out of 5, please write a little review and some feedback. I will make sure to post it on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.